Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to find the URL of a Facebook profile or a business page. Alright, let's just get right into it. So here you can see I'm at facebook.com. In order to see the Facebook page URL, click on the page that you want to go to. So in this case, I'll click on /thehusky. And since I've already customized this URL, you can see that the suffix of facebook.com says /thehusky. So this is the URL you can use to share it. And alternatively, if you're on a personal page, your profile will show up right here and you can do the same method. Now, if you just create a new page, you're going to get a weird URL like this. It'll say profile.php or something similar like this, and then a random string of numbers. So this technically is what I would share to other people, but a way to improve this is to go into your settings and change it. So when you go into your page that you're managing, open up this menu on the side, go to settings, and then go down to page setup. And here you'll see your name here, go view, and this is where you're able to change that URL. So at username here, just edit it. And here you can see that it'll make it like this. And now after changing it in the settings, you can see that this URL changed from that random string of numbers to White Wolf Advertising. And now you can use this URL to share it all across the internet. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like to tell YouTube it's a good video so it can be shown to more people like yourself. And please subscribe to my channel to see more great tutorials just like this. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.